We're out on the I-69 design build project. This is a $210 million investment in the infrastructure here in Michigan. It's a reconstruct project, basically from Island Highway all the way down to I-94. This project, I-69 design build, is included in the Rebuilding Michigan, which is a bond-driven project. On this project, there's a number of bridges, I think 26 bridges in all. One complete reconstruction of a bridge down at 15 Mile by I-94. So bridges are a big part of this project, but the biggest part is the interstate itself reconstruction. So what we've done is we've gotten rid of all the existing interstate. We've taken it all the way down to the subgrade. We've established a brand new drainage system that's going to keep the water out from underneath. Then we've built a very quality, hard, dense pavement base, and then we're going to put the new pavement on top. So this is going to be a pavement that's not going to just meet the design life, but it'll exceed that with the service life. One big thing that we do have coming up is a traffic shift. We're going to be putting traffic over, believe it or not, where we're standing on this aggregate, we're going to have traffic over here in a little over a month. So we're looking at almost every day we're going to be putting down 3,000 to 4,000 tons of asphalt. Big effort's a big push right now, big effort to get to that point, and then we're going to switch and do the other bound. So we're looking at a big milestone coming up. Because of the funding that became available, we were able to take 4 different projects, each of which were going to be about 6 miles long. And to complete the projects in their entirety, it would have taken about 10 years. So being able to have the money available, we used the design build contracting model, and we bundled the 4 projects together to make a just under 25-mile project, $210 million, that we're going to be able to compress into 3 construction seasons. We're compressing both the schedule and the costs into these 3 years, and we're going to have 10 years worth of work done in 3. We're getting it done cheaper, quicker, and instead of 10 years of user delay and user cost, we're getting only 3 years of user delay and user cost. So it's a win-win for everybody. Plus, for those 7 years, it's just wide open, great, smooth road that the public is able to use.